This is a delivery we did up in the mountains in a pretty remote area. It's also one that was definitely out of the ordinary, and if I'm being honest, it was a real challenging one. The customer did an awesome job on this foundation and actually poured the concrete themselves. Their plan is to turn the shed into a bathroom and closet as part of a little addition to their tiny house that already exists on the property. So that's the reason for the foundation, so they can run wiring and plumbing into the building. Ideally, when you deliver a shed, you would back right up to where the building goes and then tilt the trailer and pull out from underneath it. But since I could only back the trailer up to the start of the concrete, I then had to use rollers and slide the building back a few feet at a time. One obstacle I had to deal with is there was anchor bolts sticking up out of the concrete every couple of feet. So you can see I had to lay multiple boards down and go over the top of the bolts. It might be hard to see in the video, but the trailer is on a pretty significant incline, so that also added another challenge to the job. It's pretty amazing what you can do with our buildings. This could have been used for something simple like storing the lawnmower and garden tools, but now in this case, it's going to have lights, running water, a sink, and a shower. At the time, I had never dealt with a situation quite like this, so I would definitely do a few things different on the next one. But all in all, I got it done, and the customer was happy, and now they can get to work on finishing the rest of the shed.